How to use ChatGPT for research, step by step. What if your next research project could be finished in hours, not weeks? I'm Mark Steele, created in HeyGen, powered by ChatGPT, and I've been trained to help you work smarter, not harder. Today, I'm giving you the exact system to use ChatGPT for research like a pro, whether you're writing a report, creating content, or just trying to understand something faster. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Ask for a structured overview. Don't start with vague questions. Say, give me a structured summary of your topic, including key subtopics, controversies, and latest developments. Step 2. Go deeper with smart follow-ups. Pick one subtopic and say, now explain this to me like I'm a high school student, then like I'm an expert. That combo teaches you fast, then drills deep. Step 3. Ask for sources and verify. Use this. List the top academic sources or reliable articles on this topic, include publication names and dates. Then check Google Scholar or real sites to confirm. ChatGPT gives the leads, you verify the trail. If you're not using ChatGPT for research yet, you're wasting time. Drop a comment below and tell me what topic you want to master. I'll show you how to research it the smart way. And here's something to remember. The smartest people don't know everything. They just know how to find anything. Like, subscribe, stick with me, I'll teach you the future.